What a great past couple of weeks it has been for Rapala and Crush City. Starting it off, Red Crest champion Dustin Connell for 2025 was using Crush City baits right here. He was using the freeloader as well as a mooch minnow. These guys right here are going to be a little less traditional. Dustin said that where he was fishing around the dam area and the tail races, a lot of people were already throwing paddle tail swim baits. Like he started off with the Crush City Mare in the elimination rounds. He was getting a few bites here and there, but as soon as he made the switch, the second day, elimination day, as well as the knockout round, he found that the freeloader and the mooch minnow just had that really subtle action that really triggered those fish into eating. Of course, he was throwing the freeloader on a scrounger head and the mooch minnow on a just regular ball head. No forward-facing sonar required. And that's kind of the level that a lot of people are getting at now, where you don't even need to watch your lure go out there. You almost know and fish it like you would just a normal paddle tail swim bait when you throw it out and reel it. A lot of people are getting on that train, no scoping, freeloaders, mooch minnows, any other forward-facing sonar baits. But on the topic of Crush City Rapala, Kyle Welcher in his complete domination at the Pasquatank River with the Bronco Bug from Crush City Rapala. He was using black and blue, just a simple 3/16 quarter-ounce Texas rig, flipping rig, and absolutely crushing the field, crushing the bass. He also caught a 10-pounder on this guy right here. We do have a sale going on. Not really a sale, it's just a promotion. We've got some promotion Crush City hats that I want to let you know about. So if you order any Crush City baits while supplies last, we got you a free Crush City hat right here. These things are super cool. I've got one that says Rapala. I absolutely love the DT series, the Roccos, the OG Slims, all that stuff. But y'all, right now, for a limited time, while supplies last, we've got promo hats to go with these baits right here. Of course, don't miss out on the other products that Rapala and Crush City have, like the pig stick as well as the hedgehog. So make sure to check all those out. LakeProTackle.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.